Hi friends, this is NMK and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. So let's move on to SGX Nifty. So the previous I informed and we discussed about this 17,200 zone, the previous support zone here, and again it's made a higher high. So the same zone we already entered and I already expected this. So now and yesterday I didn't done my pre-market predictions because of some work. So now what I'm expecting, so this is the one impulsive way to the downside. So now what I expected and what we discussed about here, it's this is the one impulsive one set of correction. It's a ABC is a one flat correction is got completed here. So whether again this could be the continuation, the connecting wave, and that one more ABC can do up to that 18,200 what we discussed about that last video. So that is the one possibility. The second possibility, if this is that WXYXZ, means again one more three-way structures to the downside to break this low also. But my bias is it won't do that, and this is my invalidation zone also, and I'm expecting only the bullish scenario that you know very well if you are following me. So now again here, and tomorrow there is an enough non-form I think it's some news is ahead nearly at early morning 1 o'clock as per our Indian time. So that is a bigger news, it's coming ahead. So what I'm expecting here, it's this is looking like one impulse, one corrections got completed, and this is one impulsive way to the downside is already got completed. So now this seems like one connecting wave. So either it can break this high or it may not, and later onwards it may do one more low but not to break this, and from here I'm expecting a bounce. So then this could be the connecting wave. So this is the A, B, and C. So this is the one possibility I'm expecting. So this one may a little bit bounce up to that 14,000, sorry, 17,400 zone, and again one more down. But if it is very bullish, so this could be the end of the correction part. So from here itself, it can do the three-way structure to the 18,200 zone. So apart from this, I don't have any view here. So this is the invalidation zone, and I'm expecting one more low is also possible to that 17,000 range in SGX Nifty, and then one more high in the three-way structures to reach the 18,200 mark. So this is my bias. And if we move on to the Nifty also, that same I'm expecting one more this swing, and otherwise it could drop low also. So it is already did the low. So now these are all the invalidations now what we expected. So here this could happen, otherwise it can bounce up to the 17,360 in the morning gap up open, and then again one more low is also possible to reach this. Here it's 16,890, and I'm expecting the 16,950 or 17,000. Later onwards this could be the connecting wave and one more high to that 18,200 zone. So, and this is the same thing, this is the invalidation point I'm expecting. So now onwards, I'm not going to talk about that one stock. We already did the 30 stocks. So once we can review that what I gave given the previous KIOCL. So it's today it's 20%. It's a upper freeze now. So I already bought at 222. and I already informed that I didn't get that again 222 or 225 something. I got into that according to the previous analysis, and I already informed that in my video on I think 3rd of December. So I will give in the link to that. Before that itself, I predicted this move from here. So you just go through that, and my target is nearly going to hit around 450. But what I did here is, what I bought at 223, I booked the profit here, only that 50% of my position, and I am holding that one more, another 50%. So only if it breaks the high, then only I'm going to look into that. I need to add the positions only in the pullbacks. So far the 223 are having that 50% position. So let's we'll look for this, how that structure is going to happen, because sometimes it may do like such kind of wave pattern, otherwise such a kind of wave pattern, this kind of also. So if it is get even pullback from to again the 240, again what I booked the profit at a 278 as something, here I book. So what I will do here is, if it is comes to the nearly 250 to 245, again I will accumulate that, and I will keep moving to the looking for the target of nearly 450. That is my target. So hope you enjoyed my analysis, and we will see you tomorrow for the last stream for this week, the same time tomorrow. So have a nice day to everybody. Bye.